Today is September 15th, Wednesday. This is the 1962 Cadillac DeVille left-hand exhaust manifold, casting number 1475463. This is for my friend Jamal in Caramello, California. This is a beautiful MagnaFlux tested 1962 left-hand original vintage exhaust manifold. And the unit has been cleaned, surface treated with a climatized corrosion resistant surface treatment, and the mating faces remachined for perfect flatness in order to preserve sound integrity. Okay, absolutely beautiful. And as I said earlier, the unit's been MagnaFlux tested, so it's absolutely without any imperfections in the base body. So we'll have perfect sound integrity when installed. And this will be going to my friend Jamal as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. Again, this is the 1475463 left-hand driver side exhaust manifold for the 1962 Cadillac DeVille with the rear exhaust portal as opposed to the center exhaust portal, specific to 1962. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978. Over 75,000 parts in my heart of the range 1967 to 1970 Cadillac and Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these beautiful exhaust manifolds, of which I have over 300 different variants of the original Cadillac exhaust manifolds from 1959 all the way through 1978. Today is Wednesday, September 15th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.